Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites: a paid Azure subscription, a resource group in the target region, and PS Plus access credentials. Once confirmed, install and update Azure CLI, then authenticate with Az Login. This enables scripted resource creation. Next, download or pull the PS Plus package and the Azure Latch integration bundle into your workstation. Make sure to store client ID and secrets securely. These first steps get your environment ready so you can provision resources and bind PS Plus to Azure Latch without surprises. Once the environment is ready, create a service principal that has the minimal role required, typically contributor on the resource group, to limit blast radius. Then deploy the Latch infrastructure using an ARM template or bicep file provided by PS Plus. Run as deployment group create with parameters for names and SKUs. After deployment, configure the PS Plus connector by supplying the tenant ID, client ID, and secret into the PS Plus admin portal or configuration file so the two systems can authenticate and exchange tokens. To finish, run a test sync to verify PS Plus can retrieve and push identities or policies through Azure Latch. Examine activity logs and diagnostic settings if things look off. Assign necessary role mappings and policies in PS Plus so resources inherit correct permissions. Once done, automate updates with CI/CD for template changes. If something breaks, first check the service principal permissions and consent for API scopes. Insufficient rights or missing consent are the most common blockers and usually resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.